At the end of the day, if you watch my videos, that counts. Every view counts. Hi guys! Welcome back to a new video. Okay, so today's video is going to be a in review or, medyo throwback tayo sa nakaraang taon. Kahit maulan ng bagong taon. By the way, Happy New Year, you guys! I hope you guys are you had a wonderful time with your family. Alam ko yung iba sa atin, balik trabaho. Ako, for sure, balik trabaho na ako by the time this video is posted. Okay, so let's go back what happened to my channel, to me personally, for the past 12 months, so 2018. And ano yung mga tutunan ko, ano yung mga bagay na gusto ko ma-share sa inyo, ma-impart sa inyo na sana by 2019 hindi ko nagawin or baka mag-improve pa ko, alam mo yun, kasi there are good and bad things that happen to me. And number one things I cannot impart is a very, very noisy background noise, so pasensya na. But let's begin. Okay, so magsisimula tayo sa pag-recap ng videos ang ginawa ko for the past 12 months of 2018. Sige, dumaan lang kayo, nakakaya naman sa inyo, nagmamadali kayo pa uwi. For the past 12 months, I've made 133 videos. Alam mo, pag naisip ko na nakagawa ako ng 133 by the way, 133 videos in a span of 365 days. I don't know how much I went through with that. Hindi ko na nakikita yung pagod, hindi ko na nakikita yung stress. Parang ang naaalala ko sa 133 videos na yun, eh, yung mga ngiti sa labi ninyo, yung mga comments, yung mga taong nakilala ko in person na nagsasabing, "Hi, I watch your videos, I really love them, thank you so much." Alam mo yun, parang yun yung isang bagay na gusto kong sanang yung ibang tao din, ibang content creators, kahit hindi ka content creator, parang in yourself, you see the good things in life. Sabi nga ni Catriona Gray, you look for the silver lining. So, sabi ko, I made 133 videos last 2018. Why don't I push myself more and make more videos? And gagawin ko yun. That's one promise I'm gonna make to you guys on this video. And for the rest of 2019 is, I'll make more content. Alam mo yun? Kasi, parang nakita ko na yung reason. Hindi ko kasi ako sa totoo lang, kahit yung views ko sobrang baba. As in 19, 20, minsan 5. At the end of the day, if you watch my videos, that counts. Every view counts. No matter how small or big that is. I'm so thankful I was able to make someone laugh. I was able to help someone. I was able to teach something. I was able to impart something that I've learned to another person. I may not see you in person, but let me just give you a hug. Sa totoo lang, alam mo yun yung isang bagay na nakita ko na yun ang gusto kong gawin for this channel. So let's go to the good things that happened to me this year. I was able to try a lot of good things this year. I was able to I was able to attend a lot of events, like the Mixed Squad Fest. I was able to attend Kiss's birthday. I was able to try aerial dancing, na parang sa lakong babae, bakit ko nakaya yun? But I was able to do all those, and I have, reflected na, oh my God, fearless ka na nga at 29. And now you're turning 30, so you have to be more fearless, So yun, that's one of the things. I was able to try new things, and also, I was, sobrang big part to sa 2018 ko is, but I became part of VideoPad and KVS. I cannot be more thankful to Tita Scott, Mr. CMP, Kuya Win, Katlira, kay Ken, and also everyone at VideoPad na parang I was finally part of an active community. I was finally part of a group of people that live on the same country as me, And we are able to exchange ideas. We were able to, teach everyone, teach ourselves, teach each other how we can make YouTube a better platform for everyone. And I'm just really thankful to meet everyone. Alam mo yun, hindi ako magsasawang magsabi ng salamat, thank you, arigatou gozaimasu, kamsahamnida sa lahat ng nakilala ko at makikilala ko. One of the good things I've experienced this year is I was able to reach 1,000 subscribers. Actually, so far 1.5 na yata tayo sa channel na to. I'm not sure. I haven't checked. Pero, alam mo yun yung parang, wow, continuously growing ang channel. So, that's why I'm striving to make more videos for you guys. Sobrang, you guys. Promise, alam mo yun, hindi ko naisip na marireach ko siya. Hindi ko naisip na marireach ko siya within the same year I got demonetized. I got taken off the YouTube partnership program. I'll talk about that later. I'm just so happy that a lot of you guys watch my content, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell because you believe in me. I'm so thankful. Hindi ko alam paano ko masasabi yung thank you. Alam mo yung ilan yung masasabi kong thank you. Siguro kahit milyon-milyong thank you ang sabihin ko, parang hindi pa sapat yun. Nagpasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, naiyak ako. Another thing I'm really happy about this last 2018 is I got back in the YouTube partner program before the end of the year. I got monetized mga around December 29. So, no. December 29, not December 30. December 30. I got monetized December 30. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung alam mo yun, andun yung I cannot believe I am back in the YouTube partnership program. I cannot believe that you guys helped me in this journey and I'm so thankful. Alam mo yun, parang thank you man ako ng thank you buong araw, buong gabi, araw-araw ng ginawa ng buhay ko. The best thank you I can give you guys is give you guys more content. So expect more this year. One of the best things that I can say I've been able to have this year is Sharky. Yeah, mababang rason. Pero the moment I got Sharky made my life so different because I'm an animal lover. I have cats and dogs alike, but Sharky is more of a child to me. I've treated Sharky. You guys do not know Sharky. He's my dog. He's a Yorkie. And ever since I've had Sharky, I just felt so happy. I felt happier. I felt more content. Like, alam mo yun, dati kasi, aminin ko naman sa inyo dati parang feeling ko na left out ako sa buong mundo. Alam mo yun, may feeling, oh my God, ako. Feeling ko na paghihiwanan ako. But the moment that I got Sharky, I just felt happy with my dog. Which is, alam mo yun, parang feeling ko, pag siya lang yung kasama ko, masaya na ako. Kahit wala akong boyfriend, basta may Sharky ako sa buhay ko, masaya na ako. Kasi dati parang feeling ko, kailangan ko na to be in a relationship. But when I got him, it made me feel that, hey, you're not alone. Alam mo yun, you have family, you have me, si Sharky, diba? Parang, pag nakikita ko siyang malungkot din ako. Pag nakikita niya akong malungkot, pinapasaya niya ako. Ayaw niya akong nasasaktan. Alam mo yun, sobrang masaya ako. Then ako, meron akong Sharky sa buhay ko. Ang babaw ng sinasabi ko ngayon. Pero, sobrang salamat. Kasi, mentally and emotionally, I'm not okay in 2018. But when he came along, it seems like everything stabilized. I'm just really thankful for my dog. Parang ang babaw, diba? Ang tsaka. Pero alam mo yun, masaya. Masayang magkaroon ng aso katulad ni Sharky. Kasi kahit na minsan masyado matalino yung asong yun, he knows how to make me happy. He knows that parang he needs me in his life, but in reality, I need him more in my life. Yun lang. Oh my God. Ito na, medyo mas maiiyak na naman ako. Now, with the good things, there are bad things. One of the bad things that happened 2018 was my uncle passed away. My uncle passed away. And for first few months, hindi okay kami ng mama ko. I mean, we were so broken because prior to him passing away, my grandmother also passed away the year before that. And it was really hard for us to adjust kasi dalawa na lang kami. We usually have fights. Like, that's one of the things you don't know in my personal life is kami ng nanay ko, we always have arguments kasi pareho kaming stubborn, pareho kaming matigas ng ulo, pareho kaming pasaway, pareho kaming a little bit crazy. But we both love each other. So, I mean, it's one of the hardest things is we lost one of the people that balances both of us. Kasi pag bad trip ako sa nanay ko, yung uncle ko ang sumasalo ng bad trip. Pero hindi ko naman sinisigawan or disrespect siya. More of like, Kel, kung ako musap dyan! Layas. But now, me and my mom are able to talk calmly about the situation. Like, pag may problema sa bahay, hindi na kami sisigawan. I mean, it's normal, okay? Don't judge me. Like, some of you guys do that. Another thing that happened, unfortunately, is I lost some people in my life. Hindi naman sila namatay, pero something happened and unfortunately, we have to go our separate ways. Hindi ko na sa pangalan ko sila, pero ayun. It just had to happen because for me, they bring negativity to my life, so I had to distance myself. Like, I had to physically distance myself from this person because they don't give me enough encouragement, enough support to pursue my YouTube career. You know, this person, I don't wanna name this person, but thank you for going away from my life. I'm sorry. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, which is missed opportunities. One of the things I don't talk about in this channel is there were some stuff in my life that I had to let go because I had to pick a bigger priority. There were two very, very important opportunities that came last year, 2018, and I had to choose between family or that, or between my mental health or that. And I had to choose the first option, my family and my mental health. Because last year was also the year that I suffered a lot mentally and emotionally. Like, I was on therapy. I was on therapy so much. And my wallet just cried out loud to me that, hey, you've been on therapy for far too long. It's good for you, but your wallet is crying. But I'm very thankful that even if I miss those opportunities, there are better ones coming. Always think about that. There are better opportunities that will come your way. Even if you skip on, 2, there will be 5 or 6 that will come. Yun lang. And last thing that wasn't really, it's not a good thing, is my mom got sick. Like, by November, she got sick. And it took a toll on me physically. Like, I would be working on videos, then I'll be taking care of her, I'll be taking care of the house, I'll be taking care of the business. And one of the things I found really, really fascinating when that happened to me is, akala ko hindi ko kaya. Kaya ko pala. Anyway, I am so thankful of this obstacle or this challenge that was given to me. Because my mom got sick, I was able to know my strength, know my weakness, know how I can handle stress. Like, before, when I'm so stressed, I just shut down. I just don't do anything. I just give up. But then, when this event happened, I was clarified with You know, you don't have to shut down every time you think it's bad. So now, let's go to the 2019 goals. Wow. Honestly, it's the same goals that I have previously. Pasensya na may background noise ha. Baka sabihin nyo, may kausap ako or something. There's just like people talking outside. Of course, there will be more content on this channel. I'll try to put up more videos every week for you guys. And also more opportunities. Kasi parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, 2018 was a good year. Why not make 2019 a better year? I'm not gonna say it's the best year because it's very subjective. Alam mo yun, I'm very, very thankful for 2018. It opened a lot of doors for me. It opened a lot of opportunities for me to grow. And 2019 is just for me to flourish more. So expect new content, expect new videos, expect a lot of collaborations. I'm not saying na parang, you know, lalaki ng lalaki yung channel na to. Kasi time will tell if this channel will grow. You know, I'm a very optimistic person, but I'm on the realistic side. Okay, I don't want to target something really high kasi I have very bad experiences for having high expectations. But let's keep it realistic. Just make better content. You know, expect a lot of changes. Like, for example, I'll be more active on social media kasi last year I wasn't that active on social media. But thank you to everyone that's, you know, subscribed to this channel, following my social networking accounts. I'll try my best. I mean, hindi ko mapapromise na I'll be my best, but I'll try my very best to give you guys quality content as much to my capabilities. And also, thank you to everyone that's supporting me. Keep supporting me because you guys bring home the money to me. And ito lang guys, nung kaka-reinstate ko sa monetization ng YouTube, naiyak ako. Kasi I didn't expect I'll get that email before December 31st. So I was like, oh my god, yeah guys! I mean, sobrang thank you. And medyo mahaba na itong video na to. Chinichika na ako na napakahaba. Baka mamatay na naman ako ng camera. But again, thank you so much guys for watching. Expect more content this 2019. I mean, ganun pa rin. A-update ko na lang kayo pag nagkaroon na ako ng stable uploading schedule. Pero from time to time, I'll have videos, okay? Probably once every week, twice every week, 3 times every week. Who knows? But I hope you guys enjoy your 2019. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell. Like this video, share it to your friends so it can bring good vibes to everyone. And with that being said, I have to go guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Okay?